Okay.
Okay. It's my screen.
Thanh niên kia nó chưa rơi vào mình đã đưa code của bạn nên là em database cái gì thì em mình chạy database rồi thu đầu kiến trúc.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay, can. Okay, I just briefly explain the current flow, and then later I will talk about what we need to change and where you guys need to help. Okay. Okay, so currently we have a SMS gateway. Basically, it's we have this like a SIM card, and then it helps the server will send SMS. Okay, so what happened is every brand we have a SMS campaign. So it's like welcome to Q's, so blah 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 blah. Then we will always say please SMS UN to this number to unsubscribe. Okay.
Okay.
You understand about unsubscribe SMS, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So what happened currently is if the customer SMS UN to this number is our SMS gateway. So SMS gateway will actually write that message directly to the database. Okay, there's some configuration in this server. You will write to the database this mobile number, this SMS text. So in CRM, we have a process that will read from this table, and for example, for unsubscribe, we will read if there's a keyword UN, we will process it. We will do all
Wait,
the
please scroll down.
scroll down. No, this one is later.
No, no,
So
no, 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 no. It's in.
I'll scroll
Okay,
down.
okay,
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay,
okay,
okay, okay.
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 upper,
Okay.
little, please. Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, so the CRM will process, and then you will if successful unsubscribe, you will ask SMS gateway to send an SMS to say you have unsubscribed.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a current flow. We are relying on this SMS gateway. So it's currently is only in for Singapore number. Okay, so currently we want to remove this. Okay, we will replace with Twilio. Okay,
Yeah.
so are you guys familiar with Twilio?
Um.
No.
No, no, not yet.
Okay,
But
okay, can.
I used to work with SNS of Amazon Web Service. I
Ah,
think
okay, okay.
I think they are same.
Okay, so what happened now is that the flow will be the same. So CRM will still send campaign, but the number will change. So the number will be a number generated from this. I think Marcus will give us the number. So what happened is, okay, sorry, back to previously, each brand will have one number. So Lancome will have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Qs will have 4, 5, 6, 7. So each number is different. So this is where SMS gateway detect that, or if this number means it's Lancome. If it's 4, 5, 6, 7 is Qs, okay? But
Okay.
for the proposed flow, right, we only have one number. Okay, that we need to support for different brand.
Yeah.
So the purpose is maybe we need to ask them to instead of UN maybe like UN1 or UN2. Okay, so this is the so-called technically is our ID to identify which brand it is, because Twilio will just send us the message and a number. So this is where NX have to come in. So Twilio we can set up the webhook. So when there's SMS come in to Twilio will send to our web service. So we will need to detect the correct brand and do the unsubscribe. Based on the keyword for this project, we will do for unsubscribe. So if we detect it's a UN or unsubscribe, then we process the logic of unsubscribe by brand. Yep. Then after that, we respond back to Twilio the message. For example, you have unsubscribed or whatever message per brand lah. Okay, so we are replacing this SMS gateway with this web service. Okay, so this instead this web service, instead of building the webhook listener for in per brand, we do it in annex level. Okay, so
Yeah.
it means we receive the message from video, then we will run the logic. The logic of unsubscribe should be the same for all the brand, just that you need to update the correct database. It can be Lancome, Q's, all the different brands.
Yes.
Yep. So you understand, right? So Marcus shared with me this. I will send to the chat. So this is the documentation. So you can see maybe this part receive and reply inbound SMS message. So they may use our webhook. So we will create a webhook to our NX. So our NX will listen and process the message and response back the message accordingly. So if unsubscribe successfully, we will send a SMS to customer that you have unsubscribed from whichever brand. So the SMS customization, I think we can do it in campaign setup. This one I can let you know how to query from the database. Yep. So we need you guys help to create this API. Okay.
Okay. So we need to integrate the Genio into
Correct.
in. Okay.
Yep. So you can because now we can separate from the brand API because it's a separate service. So you guys see which is the better structure to do this. So for current after you integrate do the integration, so the first keyword that we will implement is unsubscribe. It will be UN. So if they reply UN, then we will do the unsubscribe. I will send you the codes that I will send you the code for this to see how we unsubscribe.
Yes.
Then you can do it in the NX way. Okay. So far,
Okay.
any question?
Um.
Số 1 với số 2 đây cái này.
What the SMS event 1 and 2? What do you mean?
Because we need to detect the brand, right? Because now we only have one number. So
Yeah.
Video will not know what brand, and because NX needs to know which brand and which country, right?
Yep.
Yep. So the thing that we propose is to ask customer to reply with a number or a ID so that NX can detect. So NX have to configure that because if you put this 01 SG is too long. So we're thinking of doing just a simple ID 1, 2 or anything. You guys can think of a way so that the NX can detect.
So we need a mapping for this.
Yep, correct mapping. So we don't have database. I'm thinking to do in config, but I need suggestion from you guys if config is okay, or if you really need database, then we will talk to Marcus or Kairu. Yeah, we need a mapping.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so I'll pass you this link also.
Yeah.
Okay.
When we okay.
I need one of you guys to start looking into this. Because actually this project is we need it now because we are decommissioning this very soon because we are migrating to a new server and the server cannot talk to this anymore. So we need the annex to come in. So you help me plan for this, create a plan. Then we can talk to Marcus to let Marcus know how long we need and what are the resources you need.
Okay.
Mm.
But please send us the code of current SMS gateway.
Yeah, I don't have a code for this because it's it's a legacy. So but I have this that we will read
Yeah.
from database. Yeah. So I
Yeah.
will send you this. Okay, Ken.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.